Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, May 4. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has appointed economist Dr. Damian King to review Jamaica's healthcare financing. Minister Tufton made the disclosure during his contribution to the sectoral debate in Parliament Tuesday. According to the minister, there's been an increase in the number of sick Jamaicans, which has in turn driven up the cost of medicines and curative services.
The goal here is to achieve greater public understanding of the challenges of healthcare financing and implications for each of us as individuals, to consult with local and multilateral stakeholders to explore health financing options, and to assist in the advocacy that is necessary to ensure a more sustainable health financing model.
Dr. Tufton says Dr. King's work will be complemented by the 2019 Green Paper on a National Health Insurance Plan. In the meantime, Minister Tufton says work is far advanced on the school nutrition policy to inculcate healthy lifestyle practices in students. The policy has been approved as a green paper by the Cabinet, and consultations are now being held to move the document to a white paper.
We will work to guide and mandate, in some cases, our school cafeterias to prepare healthier options for our children. We must help our children to develop healthier habits, and the school environment, Madam Speaker, is the best place to start.
Dr. Tufton says a global school survey for 2017 revealed that obesity was on the rise among young people 0 to 17 years. As part of measures to address this, the school nutrition policy will be coupled with the sugary drink restriction in schools program. The current restriction is 4 grams of sugar for 100 milliliters of fluid. Dr. Tufton adds that the Jamaica Moves initiative will be reinstituted. State Minister Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn will spearhead the wellness program. The Ministry of Health's Code Care Intervention Program will be used to clear up the backlog of 1,000 surgeries. These will be conducted over the next 10 months and will target surgeries of the joints, ears, eyes, nose, and throat, as well as undescended testes. The Health Minister says the program will be executed by the Office of the Chief Medical Officer. It will include utilizing the diaspora of healthcare professionals who visit Jamaica for special surgery sessions to target elective surgeries with the longest wait.
We will do so in conjunction with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade and our missions overseas, as well as to our National Healthcare Enhancement Foundation.
Approximately $300 million will also be provided to repair and, where necessary, maintain operating theaters to operate more efficiently and for longer hours. Government will also partner with private sector health providers to provide surgery and recovery spaces to augment existing facilities. In other news, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson is attributing recent successes in crime fighting to collaboration with local and international parties. These include the continuation of a high-level investigation into the seizure of $3.8 million, 30,000 Canadian dollars, and 11 kilograms of cocaine with a street value of 88 million Jamaican dollars. One person remains in custody in relation to that seizure.
This was the product of quality intelligence and diligent police work. It was one of the largest seizures in our policing history, and I can assure you that while others may not be as large, there will be more.
Major General Anderson was speaking at the Jamaica Constabulary Force's monthly press briefing yesterday. He said disruption to the illicit drug trade since the start of the year resulted in the arrest of 59 persons and the seizure of several kilograms of cocaine and ganja. In addition, coordinated activities have been ongoing to disrupt lottery scamming and other criminal activities.
So far, we have taken 48 persons into custody, arrested 37 persons on reasonable suspicion, charged 8 wanted persons, seized 16 motor vehicles, 21 electronic devices, and 6 lead sheets. We have also seized just over $5,000 and 1 million Jamaican dollars, as well as 2.4 kilograms of cocaine. These operations are ongoing and will be a feature of our policing activities as we assess the environment, continue to develop our intelligence, and align our responses accordingly.
The Ministries of Justice and Education and Youth have forged a partnership to expand conflict resolution programs in our educational institutions. Under a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) recently signed, the Justice Ministry will lead a 2-month restorative justice training program for 3,120 trainees. These will include school educators, administrators, students, and parents over 104 sessions. Minister Delroy Chuck says the initiative will also facilitate a 6-week program to train the justice trainers with the aim of promoting restorative justice practices not only in schools but also homes and communities.
We are embarking on a program of support and partnership which I have absolutely no doubt will bear enormous fruit in our schools.
Minister Favour Williams says the Education Ministry's Safety and Security in Schools unit will support the initiative by developing the monitoring and evaluation tools.
To support and promote the development of trusting relationships between schools, students, and parents, to support an atmosphere of open, honest, and genuine dialogue among all stakeholders.
Since 2017, the Restorative Justice Unit has worked with the Ministry of Education to complete over 250 training sessions with almost 4,000 school administrators. And finally, the Ministry of Education and Youth will be embarking on a Fathers Read To campaign starting on Father's Day, June 19. The program is aimed at encouraging fathers to read to their children for half an hour every day. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams made the disclosure Tuesday as the island celebrated Read Across Jamaica Day. The day forms part of the activities to celebrate Education Week, which goes up to May 9 under the theme Revisiting the Foundation, Building Our Human Capital Through Equitable Educational Opportunities. To celebrate Read Across Jamaica Day, Minister Williams read to students at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Library. She used the occasion to encourage students to become active users of libraries.
The library has been modernizing itself to remain relevant to you, our students, and to all Jamaicans. So I want to encourage you to think of your library as part of your education journey.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.